Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Temu, the popular shopping app, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to earn tickets on Temu in 2025. Tickets are like your secret weapon for unlocking discounts, freebies, and exclusive deals, and with the latest updates, earning them has never been easier or more fun. So, let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are Temu tickets? They're virtual rewards you can accumulate and redeem for amazing perks, like reduced prices on your favorite items or even free shipping. In 2025, Temu has rolled out some fresh ways to earn them, making it accessible for everyone from casual shoppers to power users. Step 1. Start with daily logins. That's right, simply open the app every day, and you'll snag a few tickets as a reward for your consistency. It's a no-brainer way to build up your stash without much effort. Next, dive into missions and challenges. Temu offers daily or weekly tasks, like reviewing products or sharing your purchases on social media. Complete these, and watch your tickets pile up. Another awesome method is referring friends. Share your unique referral link with buddies, and when they make their first purchase, you both get a bunch of tickets. It's a win-win. Don't forget about shopping itself. Every purchase you make can earn you tickets based on the amount spent, especially during flash sales or events. Plus, participate in Temu's in-app games or events. These seasonal activities often hand out tickets for playing or winning. To maximize your earnings, keep an eye on the app's notifications for limited-time opportunities. Remember, the key is consistency and engagement. Mix these strategies, and you'll be racking up tickets in no time. Wrapping this up, earning tickets on Temu in 2025 is all about smart, everyday actions that enhance your shopping experience. Give these tips a try, and let me know in the comments how it's going for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.